If you click this video, that's amazing because I want to cover a very important topic that seems to be discussed all over social media. Many people keep asking this question: why should I create an online course and sell it if people can just simply search whatever they need to on YouTube? Hi, I'm Sas from Uteach, and we create content all about course creation, digital entrepreneurship, e-learning, how to make money with course creation, and so much more. So if you are interested in that kind of content, please make sure you do subscribe to our channel and of course hit the notification bell so you could be notified of all incoming videos. So let's get back to the question. Why should you create an online course if you think that people can just search for your topic on YouTube and call it a day? I personally have always pondered about this too because I myself am a beauty influencer, I'm a content creator, and I am planning on creating and selling a course that teaches people how they too can become an influencer, a video influencer, grow a successful YouTube channel, and of course, I plan on monetizing that. Let's say you are searching for content. Let's pick a very simple topic. You want to learn how to bake dessert, okay? So maybe you find a channel that you really like, a few food bloggers. They can even be on Instagram, they can be on YouTube, it can be on Google, whatever you want. And maybe you watch one video, 2 videos, maybe 10 videos and 20 videos, and maybe you even get better at it. But there comes a time when you start to notice that you hit a plateau. Most creators, I'm gonna say this again, most creators, I'm asking my editor to highlight this text, most creators, if they're smart enough, and usually they are, they do not give out all the information to their viewers because they need to leave space for that information so that they could use it in their online courses. It's kind of like asking somebody for help, like they answer a specific question or 2 questions, but you still need the extra help, the information, the resources, and most importantly, the one-on-one coaching between you and the teacher. This doesn't necessarily apply to video courses where maybe hundreds and thousands of students can, of course, learn from. But even in that case, when you are consuming content, free content on YouTube or on Instagram or even on TikTok, that is nearly a fraction of what you are getting in comparison to if you were to take an online course. Let's say you are seeking professional advice on relationships, and maybe your favorite relationship coach does answer a question or 2 or writes a post or makes an IGTV or whatever, or maybe even a YouTube video. I am pretty sure 9 times out of 10 that you still need and want, desire more information around that topic. So the next time that you ponder whether it's worth creating an online course, considering that people can search for your topic, always remember that they are just receiving a slice of the cake. But you as the course creator, you want to give them the whole cake, okay? And they're going to pay for that cake because they want your personal transformation story. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you could be notified of all future incoming videos. And most importantly, if you are considering creating an online course and you're not really sure about where to host it, then please do consider checking out our website, uteach.io. And of course, all new users are offered a 14-day free trial. So make sure you take advantage of that amazing offer. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. We would highly appreciate it. And of course, thank you very much for watching. I'm Sas from Uteach, and we'll see you next time.